free. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get update with our latest video. If you'd like your skin to be paler, using natural items can lighten it a few shades without the harsh side effects that come with chemical whitening products. The simple practice of staying out of the sun will also keep your skin from getting darker. There's no magic potion that will lighten your skin more than a shade or two, so keep your expectations realistic. And most importantly, remember that dark skin is beautiful too. Apply lemon juice solution. Lemon juice has been used for thousands of years as a natural skin lightener. It contains acids that lightly bleach the skin and exfoliate the top layer of darker skin cells. Since pure lemon juice can be irritating to skin, make a lemon juice solution by mixing 1 part lemon juice to 1 part water. Take a cotton ball and spread the solution on your skin. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. Try lemon milk soak. For a soothing full body lightening treatment, start by drawing a bath of warm water. Pour in a cup of full fat milk and squeeze the juice of an entire lemon into the tub. Swirl the mixture around so that the milk and lemon are evenly distributed in the tub. Soak in the bath for 20 minutes. Then rinse yourself off with clean water. Make a yogurt honey mask. Like milk, yogurt contains enzymes that can gently lighten skin. Honey has moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Together, the two ingredients make a nourishing mask. Mix 1 part honey and 1 part yogurt. Then spread the mixture on your face and body. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse it away with warm water. Try a lightening paste. For more concentrated benefits, try making a thick paste using natural ingredients that help lighten the skin. Spread a paste on your freshly washed face. Leave it in place for 15 minutes. Then rinse it away with warm water. Here are 2 recipes for natural lightening pastes.